A song with a rare and tender beauty, sung for you now in the manner of Larry Douglas. I guess I expected too much. I expected too much, expecting you to care. I guess I expected too much of a love that wasn't there. Your kisses took me skyward to where the stars are pinned. How could I know that love would blow away like a feather in the wind? I guess I expected too much, the way all dreamers do. The heart you neglected too much hasn't lost its love for you. I built my dreams a little too high, a little too high to touch. I must confess, I guess I expected too much. I built my dreams a little too high.